Hello children, let's see what project we'll be creating in this video. For that I'm going to open a fresh new project. I'm going to click on this plus sign to open a fresh new project. Once clicked, I'm going to delete this character over here and I'm going to add the character let's search for okay, let's add this ball here. You know that we can double click to add the character. So now I'm going to start adding a background. Okay, let's start with this background. I can either do a double click or I can do a click here to add the background. So now here I'm going to start adding my commands. For that I'm going to click on this yellow button. I'm going to add the command start on green flag, so that when the green flag is clicked, action will be performed on this ball or the character. Let's see what commands we're going to add further. So I'm going to add the command move right. So here I'm going to change the number to say 16. So let's click on the flag. We see that the ball is moving. 16 isn't enough, so I'm going to put 19. So I'm going to take it back and I'm going to play. Here you go. 19 is a little too much, so I'm going to write it as 18. So you can use the trial and error method to see what number fits in perfectly to make the ball reach towards the end. For you it might be different. Keep trying and you will reach there. Today's class okay, now we're going to start adding a fresh new page here. On the right hand side you see the plus sign. Over here when I click, I can add a fresh new page. I'm going to delete this character here and then I'm going to add a ball here again. I'm going to place the ball here. I'm going to add the next background. In this video, if you remember, a ball moved and came over here. So once it comes in this video again, it's going to move here. It's going to look as if it's on a different background. I'm going to add the commands once again and I'm going to say 18. So it's going to move 18 steps. Okay, so let's add the next background. The next background, I think we are going to add city. I'm going to remove tick. I'm going to be adding the ball. Now I'm going to place the ball here and I'm going to add the same command here and I'm going to say 18. Okay, so here the number of pages we can add is not more than 4. So let's add the last page here and I'm going to add the ball and I'm going to be adding the same command. I'm going to say when the green flag is clicked, move right 18 steps. Okay, so now if you see here, when we click on the flag, the ball moves, and then here after the first page is played, it has to go to the second page. So for this we have a command here which says go to page. So now it says go to page 2. So I'm going to be clicking on the red button to get the command. Here is the command. Remember that all the commands are color coded. I'm going to drag the command here and say go to page 2. So now let's see, we are on page 1. When I click on the flag, it says once it reaches there, it goes to page 2 and then it starts moving. So once the ball has moved towards the end on page 2, we're going to say go to page 3. So now let's go back to page 1, then start making it move. And then now when we are done with page 3, we're going to say go to page 4. So now let's move back. I'm going to click on the flag. Now the page is in page 2. It's gone to page 3. You see that the orange line has highlighted the page 3. Now it's on page 4. Now when it completes the page 4, we're going to say go back to page 1. So when we do this, it's going to look as if our ball is moving through the different pages, and now it's on page number 4. Now once it completes page 4, it's going to go back to page 1. So it's going to keep repeating, and our ball is going to keep moving from one page to another, that is with different backgrounds. It's going to look as if the ball is traveling through the forest, through the farmland, through the park, through the city and the forest. So we can keep repeating this until we click on the stop sign. So let's bring it to the full screen and let's watch it. So this was for this video. Keep exploring, keep learning, and thank you for watching.